Stage 2 construction is anticipated to begin in the spring or summer of 2023. During Stage 2, the westerly portion of the project will be constructed. The construction areas are shown in red. Completed construction areas are shown in green, and temporary construction areas for future use are shown in blue. The Stage 2 construction will require the closure of the north and south outer roads to the west of Highway 19.
The north and south outer roads to the east of the interchange, Highway 19, and all ramps will remain open. Traffic desiring access to the north outer road or the businesses in the northwest interchange area will utilize the new Clark Drive extension constructed under Stage 1. Traffic desiring access to the south outer road to the west of Highway 19 will need to detour to the Highway 161 interchange at Danville. Traffic impacts related to Stage 2 construction are anticipated to begin in the spring-summer of 2023.